Today, we're diving into something that has content creators buzzing, the brand new Insta360 X5. This isn't just a minor refresh of the X4, it's a full-blown evolution that brings serious upgrades to both hardware and software. Whether you're into action-packed adventures, cinematic vlogging, or immersive 360-degree content, this might just be the camera you've been waiting for. Right off the bat, the design of the Insta360 X5 feels premium and polished. It's sleek, refined, and built for creators who demand performance without compromise. But more than just the looks, it's what's inside that truly sets it apart from its predecessor. One of the most exciting additions to this model is the ability to swap lenses yourself. That's right, for the first time, you don't have to send your camera to a service center for lens replacements. Whether you're upgrading for a different look or replacing a damaged lens, the process is now straightforward and user-friendly. It's a massive leap forward compared to the X4, which often required costly and inconvenient repairs for even minor lens issues. And not just that, the lens glass on the X5 is also more scratch-resistant and durable, perfect for shooting in rugged environments. Another area where Insta360 has seriously stepped up is water resistance. With the X5, you can now dive up to 15 meters underwater without needing an external case. That's a dream for underwater content creators and travel vloggers who love exploring the deep. Compared to the X4, which needed extra protection for such shoots, this is a true adventure-ready upgrade. Now let's talk image quality, the real meat of any camera conversation. The Insta360 X5 comes with a 1-inch sensor, which is a significant bump up from the 1.2-inch sensor in the X4. This change dramatically improves how the camera handles low light, dynamic range, and color reproduction. If you've ever struggled with noisy night footage or blown-out highlights during sunny shoots, the X5's upgraded sensor is going to be a game changer. And for night lovers, there's even more to love. The Pure Video mode, powered by a dedicated AI chip, enhances night shooting by reducing grain and improving clarity in low-light scenes. Whether you're filming a cityscape under the stars or a campfire in the woods, your footage will look more cinematic and professional than ever before. Backing up all this image performance is a triple AI chip that provides processing power like we haven't seen in this lineup before. Insta360 claims it's 140% faster than the previous generation, and it shows. Everything feels smoother, from navigating menus to processing large video files. If you're working with high-resolution 360-degree video or doing complex edits on the go, the X5 handles it all with impressive speed and efficiency. Lag and bottlenecks are a thing of the past. Of course, video resolution and frame rate are at the core of any camera comparison, and the X5 doesn't disappoint. It now offers 5.7K video at 60 frames per second in active HDR mode. That's a significant jump from the X4's 30 FPS HDR cap, and the difference in footage is striking. You get more detail, smoother motion, and significantly better exposure, handling in scenes with bright skies and deep shadows. Sunsets, snowy mountaintops, and backlit cityscapes all come to life with beautiful dynamic range and detail. And if you're into slow-motion content, you're going to love this. The X5 shoots 4K video at 120 FPS. That's a step up from the X4's 100 FPS limit, and it means buttery smooth slow-motion footage that looks incredibly cinematic. Whether you're filming high-speed action or simply adding drama to your storytelling, this mode gives you more flexibility and creative control. Battery life is another area where the Insta360 X5 raises the bar. It can shoot continuously in 8K for up to 88 minutes, a solid improvement over the X4's 75-minute limit. But if you're planning longer shoots, you'll appreciate the new endurance mode, which extends your runtime to a staggering 185 minutes at 5.7K 24 FPS. That's more than 3 hours of shooting on a single charge, making it a fantastic choice for event filming, travel vlogs, or long hikes. And when it's finally time to recharge, you won't be stuck waiting around. The X5 features ultra-fast charging, reaching 80% in just 20 minutes. That's nearly twice as fast as the X4, which took around 38 minutes to get to the same point. This means you'll spend less time charging and more time capturing. In the audio department, Insta360 has also delivered. The X5 is equipped with a built-in wind guard, reducing unwanted noise when recording in breezy or outdoor environments. On top of that, it captures 360-degree audio, adding immersive sound to match your immersive visuals. Whether you're narrating a scene or recording ambient sounds from nature, the audio experience is richer and more professional. Another subtle but incredibly useful feature is the new magnetic quick-release mount. This makes it much easier to swap out accessories and reposition your setup quickly, saving time and frustration when filming on the go. Pair that with the new gesture control system, allowing you to start and stop recording with just a wave, and the X5 clearly shows it's been designed with user experience in mind. Now let's address the big question. Is it worth the upgrade? If you're coming from the X4, the improvements in nearly every area, sensor size, video quality, processing speed, battery life, water resistance, and usability, are more than just incremental. They're substantial. And while the price tag is slightly higher, around $50 more, the added value you're getting in return easily justifies the difference, especially if you're a serious content creator or someone who pushes your gear to the limits. Whether you're documenting travel adventures, capturing action sports, or producing cinematic YouTube content, the Insta360 X5 is built to keep up and elevate your creative potential. It's smarter, faster, more versatile, and clearly a tool that understands the needs of modern filmmakers. So what do you think? Has Insta360 done enough to tempt you into upgrading? Are the new features something you'd use, or are you sticking with the X4 for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss the latest in tech news and reviews.